Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Welcome back, everyone, and a good Sunday afternoon to you as we look at our CCRV6 weather bug over on I-37 in sun tide, still showing plenty of cloud coverage, a few hints of sun. Northeasterly winds at 15 miles an hour in downtown Corpus Christi with our first Community Bank 6 weather bug looking at the marina. A little bit warmer out there, 73, but those winds are picking up out of the northeast at 21 miles an hour. And all over the coastal bend, temperatures are into the upper 60s to lower 70s. Even our water temperature warming up into the lower 70s out at the Packery Channel. But over the course of the weekend, we've had high pressure that has come in. It was getting a little muggy outdoors, but the dew points are now back into the middle to upper 50s, even some lower 60s, and these are running anywhere between about 8 up to 15 degrees drier than what they were 24 hours ago. So that's certainly some good news, making it feel a little bit more comfortable out there, but staying breezy right along the coast, as I mentioned, anywhere between about 15 to 25 miles an hour. So the National Weather Service has issued a coastal flood advisory. That goes until tomorrow afternoon at 4, and also for the offshore waters, we have the small craft advisories in effect as well, so use caution. Notice down to the south of us, they have issued a flash flood watch until Monday at 10 o'clock in the morning. That is out in Kennedy County and just south of Baffin Bay. That's because a lot of moisture is expected to increase there over the next couple of hours and on into the first part of next week. As we look into tomorrow morning, staying breezy along the coast as far as winds are concerned, and then tomorrow afternoon we continue to maintain our northerly flow around 10 to 20 miles an hour. There's all the cloud coverage that's in place. Again, we could see a little bit of some drizzle as we head into the overnight hours. There's a lot of moisture that's in place, and this little pesky front that's down to the south of us has been stationary over the last several days, and it's been the culprit for some showers, and it's going to continue to be the culprit for showers, along with this little disturbance that's lingering just to the south of us. And as that moves farther up to the north, that means our rain chances will start to pick up as well. But on into the Pacific we go. There is Hurricane Willa, a Category 3 storm, and also to the south of that, we also have Tropical Storm Vicente that's down there as well. The remnants of Willa will arrive here in South Texas as we head off into the middle of the upcoming work week, and that presents us our best opportunity for rain. But right now, Willa has 150-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 140 with the movement to the north-northwest at 6 miles an hour. So as we put the forecast cone in motion from the National Hurricane Center, notice that it eventually takes it over northern Mexico and right over here into the coastal bend as we go into Wednesday. I think by Thursday, though, most of the remnants will be out of the way. So the rest of the picture shows high pressure up to the north of us. That's going to continue to move off to the northeast and allow this moisture to the south of us to retreat back in our general direction. And we have 60s and 70s all over the United States. A little bit cooler up to the northeast where it's 57 in Nashville, 56 in St. Louis, but a little bit warmer off in Phoenix into the upper 80s there. So let's look at it on a future tracker as we go into tonight and into tomorrow morning. Notice most of the rainfall is down to the south of us. Our in-house model is not being very optimistic as far as showers are concerned. However, it is showing still plenty of cloud coverage. As we go to tomorrow afternoon, I think we could see some embedded little light to moderate showers here in the region, but the heaviest remains offshore and off to the northwest of us. We're going to play the same game as we go into Tuesday morning. Most of the activity offshore, off to the northwest of us near Del Rio, but there come the remnants of Willa right there. And again, we'll see some light to moderate showers here, increasing to heavy as we go into the Wednesday afternoon time frame, and some of those could get pretty heavy. But notice, heaviest activity off in the Gulf up to the northwest, but this is tropical in nature, so any movement could increase our rainfall totals here significantly as we go into the middle of the work week, so definitely stay on the lookout for that. So this evening we'll look for the upper 60s. As we look forward to tomorrow, we'll look for breezy conditions, middle 60s, mainly cloudy, cool, and breezy out there, north-northwest or easterly winds at 15 to 20 miles an hour. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Again, moisture stays in place Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Showers for Monday and Tuesday, more rainfall, a little bit heavier on Wednesday. Then a front comes in, weak in nature, and yes, that is sunshine returning, 60s, 70s, and even 80s by next weekend, and feeling a little bit more seasonal out there. Greg.